What has happened in BC Spirits? BC Spirits today, number 87. Now, something for completely unique. I've never seen anything like this. It's from Gibson's BC. It is quite kind of fascinating what it is. It is a mineral infused vodka from One Foot Crow. 50% alcohol, which I think all their spirits come in at 50%. They sort of do like a bonded, if you will, sort of alcohol content in from the US. So I think everything's 50% that they do. This is infused with organic matter acids. So I think it's fulvic and one other one. I'll have to look that one up. But it's black, as you can see. It's black vodka, 50% alcohol, super unique from up in Gibson's. Now, I think there's been a couple of black vodkas or Bladka. I think it was called Bladka back in the day. So there's been a couple on the market. This one's locally made. On the nose, it's very interesting. It's sort of dehydrated blueberries. Very like obviously it's minerally infused, so like very minerally. So like river rocks on water, wet, like hot river rocks with rain hitting them. That's what I get on the nose, which is really super specific, but big on the dehydrated blueberries. And there's a little funky tone there that I'm trying to wrap my head around too. On the palate, you definitely get the backbone, that malted grain sort of backbone. I do believe this one has got a little bit of wheat to it too. So you definitely get this sort of malted grain background, obviously with vodka. But then you get this beautiful textural, like it's making my mouth just, you know, like really chewy, of that sort of wet, like rain on bitumen, like hot bitumen or hot tarmac. Whatever you guys call it over here. I call it bitumen, but like hot roadway, like really hot area, concrete, road, fresh rain, that sort of smell, that sort of taste. Very minerally, obviously, sort of like licking river rocks sort of feel to it. But this is very unique. I think that if you're a vodka drinker, or even if you are just a collector of BC Spirits, this one is one for your collection, because I don't think there's anything out there that is quite like this. It's very unique. I'm very interested to play around with this in cocktails. But number 87, BC Spirits a day, One Foot Crow's mineral infused vodka, 50% alcohol, 100 proof. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.